Good morning, Misamis Oriental. Here's Governor Bambi Emano's accomplishment report from April 5 to April 8, 2021. Monday's assorted but all equally important events proves Governor Bambi Emano's ability to deliver the highest quality of service despite his hectic schedule. GYVBE will give us the details.
On Monday, April 5, 2021, during the virtual flag raising ceremony, the Provincial Health Office head, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, reported that the province of Misamis Oriental gained an alarming number of 14 new cases of COVID-19 recorded from April 1 to 4. According to Dr. Kalingasan, this does not only affect a certain municipality but has already spread to different places in the province, namely the municipalities of Initaw, Gitagum, Taguluan, Salay, Balingwan, and Hingog City that contributed to the alarming rate of affected individuals in the country with over 15,000 confirmed cases. Most importantly, PHO strongly reminded everyone to be vigilant and careful both at home and at work by strictly following health protocols. With high hopes and determination, Governor Bambi Emano and the Interagency Task Force are continually and tirelessly doing all of the measures and procedures needed to ensure the welfare and prevent the spread of COVID-19 for a safer Misamis Oriental. Furthermore, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan voiced out his concerns regarding the provincial capital employees' strict compliance to the basic health protocols that should be well implemented and followed. With the abrupt surge of COVID-19 cases in the country for the past weeks, Dr. Kalingasan requires all arriving individuals in the province of Misamis Oriental to undergo a 7-day quarantine and a negative PCR test. Also, Dr. Kalingasan emphasized that face-to-face meetings will be prohibited in the provincial capital in the next 2 weeks. He added that capital employees who are experiencing fever, cough, and colds should undergo and initiate self-quarantine and avoid reporting for work unless an assessment from the Provincial Health Office is secured. All employees should also ask permission from their department heads once they plan to travel outside the province and strictly undergo quarantine once they arrive home. Most importantly, Dr. Kalingasan advised that all department heads should review the policies that Governor Bambi Emano signed regarding on the proper implementation of COVID-19 health protocols, and stated that these are not only to protect themselves but also their family members and as well as co-workers. Specifically, department heads are urged to watch over their constituents and be aware on the places that they visit or go to. On the same day, former PNP Provincial Director Robert Roy Bahian also took his oath of office as the new provincial jail warden. He replaced former warden Dominador Tagarda and swore to adhere to guidelines and mandate of the provincial governor and follow the laws and regulations in force in the province and in the national. The new provincial jail warden praised the leadership of Governor Bambi Emano, also emphasizing that in order to maintain the peace and order in MOPJ, the management should give moral support and welfare of the person deprived of liberty in the province of Misamis Oriental. Moreover, Task Force Sidlakang Misamisnons Power or TFS-MDP, a new task force tasked to perform the duties and responsibilities as Electric Cooperative Board of Directors for Moresco II, led by its chairman Attorney Melchor Cubilio, took their oath to Governor Bambi Emano and Mr. Edgardo R. Masungsong of the National Electrification Administration or NEA. Also present in the event are Police Colonel Raniel Valones, Provincial Director, PNP Misamis Oriental Eduardo Y. Pacamalan Jr., Project Supervisor, and other leading personalities from Moresco. Governor Bambi Emano believes that TFS-MTP can further solidify the need for electric cooperatives and give opportunities for livelihood. Also, Governor Bambi hopes that with the help of NEA, Task Force Sidlakang Misamisnons Power can take vital steps to advance the betterment of the province. Lastly, Kogan Market Stallholders Association also took their oath of office to Governor Bambi. Present in the said oath-taking were Ms. Veronica Roperos as President, Mr. Raul Milian as Vice President, Mr. Renato Sabanal, and Puerto Barangay Captain Honorable Christian Rustico Aches as advisors. Governor Bambi Emano complimented the vendors as one of the real frontliners, stating that their continued operations ensured a source of important goods and food for many people during the pandemic. GYVBE PIO.
A Tuesday geared towards enhancing the proficiency of capital employees to better serve Misamisnons leads the way, while ENRO immediately responds to the crisis in Hazaan. Here's Jepson Patlunag for the details.
On Tuesday, April 6, 2021, Top Flight Program 2 Touchdown, the brainchild of Governor Bambi Emano, which aims to instill the true essence of building management and leadership skills to deliver quality public service, which was attended by all members of the Misamis Oriental Department Heads Association and primarily implemented by the Human Resources and Management Office under Ms. Jessica Galindo, successfully had its closing program at Pagros Conference Room. With the governor's goal of continuously developing efficient leaders, employees, and public servants, his Top Flight program seeks to eradicate development stagnation among participants and highlight other opportunities for development that can be taken to better serve the people of Misamis Oriental. With MODHA successfully finishing the program, expect the whole provincial capital to deliver and provide better services for the people of the province. On another developing story, after the arrival of initial reports concerning the oil spill at Makahalar Bay off the coast of Hasaan, Misamis Oriental, as a result of the sinking of MV Tower 1 on April 3, 2021, Governor Bambi Emano immediately sent Environment and Natural Resources Office Head Engineer Prisco Valmoria and his team to the area to conduct preliminary assessment and oil spill containment operations. ENRO, together with the Philippine Coast Guard and MDRRMO Hasaan, successfully installed containment booms to restrict the area affected by the oil spill. Assessment were also done for Hasaan's numerous mangrove coves to prevent any damages and to protect the marine life and the area. The Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources has also coordinated with ENRO to conduct an analysis on the waters of Hasaan to further examine the extent of the damage caused by the oil spill. As of this moment, Governor Bambi Emano and Engineer Prisco Valmoria is working hand in hand with all concerned agencies to immediately solve the problem and prevent any further damages to the ecosystem. Jebson Patlunag, PIO.
On Wednesday, the ever-dependable PAGRO continues its steady implementation of its mandate, and the Provincial Tourism Office once again brings pride to Misamis Oriental. Danny Abshama Jr. has the story.
On Wednesday, April 7, 2021, Provincial Tourism Head Attorney Jeffrey Saclot proudly announced the inclusion of the Kuyamis dance by our very own Koryo Misamis Oriental as one of the dances to be featured by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, or NCCA. Kuyamis dance will be featured on NCCA's Sayaw Pinoy Goes Virtual that will be aired on April 10, 2021 at 6 p.m. on the Facebook pages of NCCA, DepEd Philippines, Knowledge Channel, PTV4, RTVM, and Living Asia. Furthermore, Governor Bambi Emano is congratulated by the NCCA National Committee on Dance for his endeavor to introduce Kuyamis, Misamis Oriental's official festival, and his steadfast support to the province's group of choreographers in the promotion of the Kuyamis Festival Dance. This year, Sayaw Pinoy is set to go online as it features various dance groups from all over the country, and the inclusion of Misamis Oriental's Kuyamis dance once more brings pride to all Misamisnons, all thanks to Governor Bambi Emano's flagship program of tourism. Additionally, on Wednesday, the Provincial Agriculture Office embarked on a massive campaign of distributing thousands of giant bamboo seedlings to indigenous peoples all throughout the province of Misamis Oriental. 3 barangays of the municipality of Initaw received a total of 3,600 giant bamboo seedlings. Barangay Bansilan received 1,300 bamboo seedlings, Puting Bato of Barangay Tawan-Tawan received 700 bamboo seedlings, and Sitio Tagpaco of Barangay Singalak received 1,600 bamboo seedlings. All beneficiaries from the municipality of Initaw are members of Kaamulan Higaunong Tribal Organization Incorporated, or Kahito. Meanwhile, in the municipality of Libertad, indigenous peoples of Himaylan Farmers Association of Barangay Himaylan received 100 bamboo seedlings, while the city of Hingoog received 3,600 bamboo seedlings, and Barangay Mati of the municipality of Claveria received a total of 1,000 bamboo seedlings. In total, a staggering 8,300 giant bamboo seedlings were systematically distributed by PAGRO to beneficiary IP communities in the province of Misamis Oriental. These giant bamboo seedlings will be primarily cultivated in watershed areas, hilly lands, and riverbanks. Identified sites which are not intended for food production, bamboo will also provide invaluable contribution to avoid erosion, promote water sustainability, and carbon trading. Lastly, on Wednesday, the Agricultural Biosystems Engineering Division of PAGRO conducted validation and assessment of proposed water source of Balingisag Labor Services Cooperative or BALSECO that has 18 members in Upper Mandangwa, Balingisag. 2 deep wells assessed and found to be potential to supply water for a 2.7 hectare vegetable farm of BALSECO. With PAGRO's initiative, Governor Bambi Emano is keen to supporting any moves that will promote progress to our local farmers. Danny Vertudazo of Shama Jr., PIO.
Thursday transpires with another event highlighting Governor Bambi Emano's exceptional cooperation with the PNP and AFP to preserve the long-established peace in the province. Raymark Simanya will tell us more.
On Thursday, April 8, 2021, representing Governor Bambi Emano, Provincial Administrator Attorney Jocelyn Loon Mateo attended via Zoom the PNP Aviation Security Group Aviation Security Unit 10 First Advisory Council Meeting for Peace, Transformation and Development Calendar Year 2021, held at Annabelle's Restaurant Xavier State Sports and Country Club, Cagayan de Oro City, and via Zoom. Aside from the presentation of the AC-10 PTD Accomplishment Report, the meeting mainly revolves on the discussion of plans and programs of the Aviation Council 10 for Peace, Transformation and Development for the year 2021. Also during the event, Aviation Security 10 awarded its stakeholders with a plaque of appreciation for their continued support in successful delivery of the Council's commitment to the people. Present during the Advisory Council meeting were regional and local government officials, AC-10 PTD members together with the presence of the chairman of ABSEO 10 Police Lieutenant Colonel Florencio Soriano Jr. and ABSEO 10 Technical Working Group and Police Strategy Management Unit 10 members. On account of Governor Bambi Emano's endless support to the men and women in uniform responsible for maintaining public order and safety, the good governor receiving incessant invitations from them as honored guest is a testament to his effort in promoting peace and order in Misamis Oriental. In another story, the Claveria Tabok Farmers Federation conducted their officers' oath-taking ceremony, inducted by Sangguniang Panlalawigan Agriculture Committee Chairman Board Member Frederick Fu, held at the Misamis Oriental Provincial Agriculture Development Complex. The federation is represented by the Women's, Agriculture and Farmers of Tabok and the LGU sector. With the theme Achieving Food Security by Ensuring Agriculture Productivity Amidst Climate Change, the federation seeks to help, aid, and protect its members mainly comprised of small farmers to further give them opportunities for food security and productivity, while conforming to the steps that the province of Misamis Oriental is taking against climate change. With the ever-supportive father of the province, Governor Bambi Emano, Board Member Eric, who as the committee chair on agriculture, commits to the members to give them all the aid and support possible for the federation to succeed. The members were also given the privilege to tour the Moped C facility, especially the greenhouse facility, and were given various seedlings of vegetables, coffee, oolong tea, and fruit-bearing trees. With the great support that Governor Bambi Emano has been given to uplift the agriculture industry of the province, Misamis Oriental slowly introduced its name as one of the region's major producer of agricultural produce that gives decent livelihoods to Misamisnons. Raymark Simanya, PIO.
And from April 5 to April 8, reports from various departments and from the Travel and Arrival Committee shows a unified effort to implement Governor Bambi Emano's support to all Misamisnons. Queen Exclamador will give us the details.
In general view of the previous events held for last week's GYVBE, the Department of Agriculture, Philippine Coconut Authority of Misamis Oriental, or DAPCA, under the initiative of Ms. Mitch Valmores Lace from PAGRO, in coordination with the National Coconut Farmers Registry System, or NCFRS, held its registration schedule dated to a 5-day event from April 5 to 9, 2021 through a face-to-face and walk-in sessions. The NCFRS serves as a tool to ensure effective and efficient planning, delivery and monitoring of development programs and projects, and proper allocation and prioritization of scarce government resources, in pursuit to complete the survey of the coconut farmers and farm workers in view of the immediate passing of the Cocoa Levy Trust Fund Bill in General Appropriations Act of 2012, which mandates the registration of all beneficiaries of the different programs and projects of the government. This is done through a national survey and complete enumeration or listing of landowners, tenants, leaseholders, and farm workers, It is undertaken using NCFRS registry form which have been developed, pre-tested, and implemented by PCA. Most importantly, BAPCA assisted a mass registration of NCFRS in Barangay Aplaya, Hasaan. As for walk-in registration, we have the following. From April 5 to 9, 2021, registration was held at BAPCA Provincial Office, Ibarle Street, Barangay 30, Cagayan de Oro City. On the other hand, people from Hingoog had their registration at Hingoog Satellite Office, Arturo Lugod Gym, Poblacion Hingoog City, Misamis Oriental. In line with the COVID-19 health protocols, the resignation process implemented the strict reminders for registrants to follow. Wear face mask and face shield during registration, observe proper social distancing at all times, and bring photocopies of required documents during registration. With no doubt, Governor Bambi Emano has once again proved the essence of the word Lambo, coined to his administration, even in this project reaching out to the farmers towards the progress and stability of coconut industry in the province of Misamis Oriental.
In another scoop, as of April 7, 2021, the lists of the returning overseas Filipinos transported in Misamis Oriental were safely listed. From March 26 to April 7, 2021, the returning OFWs in Misamis Oriental is 142, while locally stranded individuals is 727. ROFs and LSIs billeted at Marian Suites by PGMO is 45. For the grand total, there are already 18,531 returning overseas Filipino workers in the province of Misamis Oriental, recorded from May of 2020 to April 7, 2021, with a total of 1,429 ROFs and LSIs billeted at Marian Suites. This is in line with Governor Bambi Emano's Balik Provincia program, of which he wants to ensure that arriving Misamisnons are carefully attended to by the PGMO. Queen Exclamador PIO.
With 2 successive weeks shortened by holidays, one would expect that the provincial capital would go along the prevailing mood and take a short break. But for Governor Bambi Emano, such an idea is considered unacceptable. Under his leadership, programs for the people continued and implementation of services never ended. Truly, the leader that everyone is looking for is right here in Miss Or. Jinker Sit, PIO.